Hello, and welcome to this very special edition of Rhodri's World, where today we'll be tiptoeing across the 10 most tantalising venues in Cardiff for Sŵn Festival in 2019. Ready? We'll start our tour in one of the older streets in Cardiff, Wharmonby Street. Oh yeah?
Its original purpose was to link Cardiff Castle, back there, to its quay, or a quay, or a quay.
I think it's a quay. Now, of course, this little old street is the heart of Cardiff's music scene and is currently home to over five music venues. Yeah, walking down this street you can almost hear and smell the bands that have been playing here over the years. Why can I smell? First up we have Clwb Ifor Bach, which loosely translates into Little Ivor's Club. Originally it was set up as a crash for castle workers and their children, mainly the children, and the entrance was no taller than about the letterbox, because they were very short. But now, of course, they let anyone in. Cracking. Pish off. It's locked. Now, is your horse hungry? If centuries ago the answer was yes, well, your horse would have come to Fuel Bar here, which housed tons and tons and tons of hay and petrol. Yeah, it's locked as well. Yeah, they've got the recycling now. Yeah. Next we can pop over to the Moon, which first opened its doors over 50 years ago when the great TV hoax Moon Landing was aired. The Moon, imagine. Around the corner from Wharmonby Street, we're now onto St Mary Street, where we find a table tennis, arcades and music bar. And a big letterbox. Good red, isn't it? Its flat-out refusal to keep up to date with modern technology has bizarrely turned out to be one of its main selling points. Baffling. It's a bit sassy, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, one more. I'll do one more. Next up we have 10 feet tall. Don't know why it's called that. It's clearly a lot bigger than 10 feet. It's about 12, 13... I mean, if that's 10 feet, I'd be... like... How tall's Dad? Here we are, the Old Market Tavern. Now, long before the days of self-service checkouts, the Old Market Tavern led the way and pioneered a self-service milk checkout. Local cows would flock their udders out of this window here for all to have a go on.
Cardiff is extremely lucky to be one of the few cities in the world to have an Irish-themed pub outside of Ireland. Upstairs through those doors you'll find loads of great crack, and live music.
Now, I'm pleased to inform you that this year we're very excited that the climax of the festival is going to be taking place in the world-famous Stadium, Principality Stadium. Sorry, 2 seconds. Hello? Yeah. Oh, seriously? Okay. Yeah, no, just... Yep, alright, don't worry, it's fine. Yep, so this year the climax is going to be in Goody Who.
Shut down, mate.
Yeah, fuck.
Down the bottom of St Mary Street we've reached Jacob's Market. Not only does it lead the world in its truly remarkable collection of vintage crackers, here you'll find all sorts of antiques ranging from mirrors and settees to old trading cards of Dennis the Menace that literally no one needs.
Last but not least, we've reached Tram Shed, with a capital T, then Tram Shed. Now, if you like trams, and if you like sheds, this is neither of them, so wouldn't bother. It's just, yeah, wouldn't bother. Oh, there we have it. So we've now seen all the top 10, well there's only 10, venues for this year's Sŵn Festival 2019. It's going to be a ripper. Like, as in good. Should be really good. Right, time for me now to go in here. I'm going to have a nice big pint of vodka squash. Yes, I'll have it later, it's locked.